Oh mi Dios, esto es posible. Esto es en serio.
Jesus Christ. All right, we go. Go. I mean, y'all gotta move. That is. Oh my God. None of that's been working. It's all right. They gotta move, man.
Fire truck.
Oh. Whoa. Look at the debris just flew in front of the windshield there. Look at the...
Hold on.
Oh, you good, you're good. I feel you. Whoa. Yeah, RFD's serious. Oh, man, look at the lightning. That tornado takes up the whole freaking foreground, dude. Yeah, this is gonna be real bad if there's stuff on the main road right up here. Look at the horizontal vortex in the wedge.
Yeah.
All right. I don't understand, dude. These people know how to chase.
I need to get off the fucking road or get down the damn highway.
Well, that's why it's crossed right here. You got some damage. Roof ripped off.
Yeah, one, maybe two. Right
Yeah. Help. What's going on in front?
I have no idea.
Pass them.
Pass them. They're just...
Pass them. They're just sitting. Pass them.
Go.
Dude, pass these idiots.
Go at him.
I mean, good Lord. There you go. Thank you.